CEO, co-founder, Kulr Technology Group. The ticker symbol KULR at the NYSE today, in fact. Tell us a little bit about the experience there at the NYSE. Why now? Give us a little background here.
Hey, Nicole. Hey, thank you for having us here today. So for Kulr Technology, we come from about a 30-year heritage of developing carbon fiber-based energy and thermal management systems for aerospace and defense applications. So our parts are used on the International Space Station. We're part of the Mars Rover 2020 Perseverance program and numerous different applications. And now our mission is to take that space-proven technology and to make the world of electronics and lithium-ion batteries cooler, lighter, and safer. As you mentioned, that we're uplisted to New York Stock Exchange today. Super exciting day for us today. We've been trading on the OTC market since 2018, and beyond the NYSE, just a brand new chapter for us to get more exposure to new investors, as well as a brand new platform for us to grow.
Yeah, and it's interesting. I mean, obviously getting your name out there in a bigger way than the OTC, because the New York Stock Exchange is huge, it's broadcast globally. I mean, it's an exciting time. So I know you've had partnerships and developments, and you've partnered with NASA, in fact, and incorporated your tech into electric vehicle batteries and space flights. Is Kulr the next gen tech that we're going to be talking about all the time?
Well, I certainly hope so. And, we've been literally cutting our teeth with NASA Johnson Space Center, and that's how we develop our, thermal runaway shield product for the lithium-ion battery safety. And our strategy is actually pretty simple. We work with NASA, the Air Force, Department of Energy to cut our teeth to develop cutting-edge technology. And then we work with regulators such as FAA, Federal Aviation, Department of Transportation, the Highway Safety, PHMSA, and et cetera, to introduce them that technology for mass market applications such as EV, energy storage. That's all require a lot of lithium-ion battery, and safety is, we believe, is a critical component of that. And then we take that technology and how it fits into regulatory or upcoming regulatory requirements, and then move that technology into EV and battery storage products. So you're going to see a lot more of that technology into mass markets in later 2021 and beyond.
Right. This is all about safety too, right? Safety product can prevent the fires, the explosions that can occur, right. In everything, right? In just about everything. I'm trying to make this so everybody fully understands what it is that you're focused on. I know you have more than one patent. We talk about your thermal runaway shield, but this is part of the foundation of the company, is using, obviously, and working to prevent explosions and fires, which is something we all worry about.
Right. I think that, that's all about safety and sustainability. And then fire and explosion, as you just talked about, Nicole, we think that's one of the foundational pieces. And then so as we move to the world of electrification, so everything will be electrified. It will move from fossil fuel into battery powered. And then when you have battery power, so the energy source, which is the lithium-ion battery, the safety of that is going to be a lot more important. And then so as we, as more regulations come in, as more of these products into the market, whether it's first-time use or recycling and second life use, to maintain that supply chain and end-of-life application for batteries, we believe that safety is going to be very, very important, and it should be very important. And on top of that, we're building new technology on top of that to make it more sustainable, such as batteries to run cooler, to battery that can charge faster, and just to make the whole ecosystem more sustainable. And then we believe in a circular economy where the battery should be lighter, smaller, safer, and then to be fully sustainable into the future.
What kind of growth are you expecting here as we talk about this listing today? That you've been approved, you begin trading in the NYSE American Exchange. What kind of growth are you expecting to see now?
Yeah, we exit 2020 on a very strong Q4. Our year-over-year growth for Q4 2020 was about 200%. And then we just reported our Q1 growth year over year was over 400%. We just finished a couple of rounds of financing, allow us to uplist to the NYSE. So we're now investing in all part of our business, from R&D to operations, which we just announced that we're moving to a new facility that's 4 times the size of our previous facility. And then we're investing in marketing, sales, product development on all fronts. And then we hope to sustain that kind of growth for 2021 and beyond, because the market is just huge. And I think we're just at the beginning part of that. You see all these EV companies, all these battery companies talking about new batteries coming in by 2024, 2025 timeframe, solid state battery coming in shortly after that. And then all, between 20 to 30, maybe even 50% of the vehicles, or in some cases 100% vehicles, will be electric by 2025 all the way to 2030. So we think there's a tremendous run rate in the next 5 to 10 years that we're just at the early inning of that.
Right. Do you expect sort of a trajectory of growth on a constant growth, or do you expect some volatility and competition and pullback, or maybe some investments and then growth again, or maybe some takeovers, mergers and acquisitions, things like that? What can a shareholder expect when they own KULR?
Yeah, we will certainly expect and hope that, because we're investing so heavily into the future right now, the high level of growth will be sustained for 2021, at least 2022. And, as the market grows faster in the coming years, that we expect consolidation in the market to happen. Right. Now we're on the New York Stock Exchange. We got a big platform. We see so many opportunities either to combine with other complementary technology to grow faster, and also to tap into new technology and new opportunities. Because with this administration just announced hundreds of billions of dollars of renewable energy initiatives, from EV to charging to energy storage. We think the next 5 years to 10 years. This is one of the largest market opportunities in our lifetime, and battery and the sustainability of the battery, the safety battery, will be a key critical component for this one of the largest market in our lifetime. So we're super excited about that. We want to be on the forefront of participating in this growth, whether we become a platform to aggregate and to grow to multi-billion-dollar companies, or we become part of the equation to take this technology much further. We're open to all that. But today, since our first day on the New York Stock Exchange, we're celebrating today, and then we want to continue our growth.